money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. Hey. What's up, Money Gang? So in this video, I will be showing y'all making my first Marquee letters and numbers, y'all. So we gave my sis a surprise birthday party, and yeah, we about to get in this video. I'm about to show y'all how I made centerpieces and these my cute letters and numbers, and I put balloons in them. So I hope y'all enjoy my video. Alright, so the supplies I used in this video, I had to get 4 foam boards. I did get the foam boards from Hobby Lobby. I used 4 for the letters because the letters was 5 by 5 feet. And then I used 2 for the numbers, 2 boards for the numbers. Now, the cutouts was for, I think, like a normal size foam board. I got a bigger size foam board, the bigger size from Hobby Lobby. And if I remember the size and everything, I'll put it in the description box for you all. Now, y'all, this was not as easy as I thought it was, especially not on hardwood floor. So yeah, I gotta figure out a way to do that a little bit better, because sis ain't got good knees no more, and these gents was hurting my knees kept on doing this. But I did. It was real easy to tape it down. I would suggest that you double side the foam boards, because that's what I eventually gonna start doing, and you're gonna see me do that at the end as well. And then I'm gonna double side both sides. You have to use clear tape to make it better. Let me rewind that, because I don't think I explained that correctly. So you will want to use tape and double side with the tape, meaning you're going to tape both sides of the foam boards together to make sure they're nice and sturdy, y'all. I don't think I explained that right, so I just wanted to make sure I do correct myself just in case y'all want to do this. And this is the finished look after I have taped all them down, and then I have already cut out the B and the 4 already. Now, baby, let me tell you, if you want to do any of these my cute letters, no matter if you're doing 3, 4, 5, 6, it don't even matter. You need to get you the electric scissors off Amazon. These pink bad boys right here help me out so much. I don't know what I would have did without them. And so I want to give a big shout out to the a YouTube creator where I do follow her on Instagram and Facebook, y'all. And her name is M.Lachey Incorporated. Y'all, she uses, she be promoting these scissors, and baby, they are the truth. So I started doing my research, and I was learning. I learned that a lot of the creators that I do follow, and when they was doing the Marquee letters and stuff, they were having these scissors. So yes, baby, I went on Amazon with the quickness and bought me some, and they are the bomb. Now I am going to show y'all how they sound, because they are quite loud. Now I don't know if they was loud because it's like an echo in the house or what, or because I was on wood floor, but they were quite loud. They're not quiet, but baby, it does do the job. I'm gonna tell you that now. We are gonna have to tell it.
Put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when you speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why. All that's on my mind, yeah. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. myself in the zone.
So y'all, right here, y'all gonna see me double side put more tape on the other side of the K because I hadn't did it, and that's why I was telling y'all at the beginning that you want to go ahead and just double side it while you have the whole foam boards, so you won't have no issues. See, you're supposed to be using the back camera. The party this weekend, we're getting crunk. On one, we got it cut out. And it's the 0 for to go with the 4. Oh shit. Oh, gorgeous. I do like it.
Yeah, this
That's
like
what we needed.
I can't believe her outfit is gold.
Am I going to CB this year? Am I going? I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna just be honest. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna go CB. I don't know. I want to, but then my goals and dreams are telling me no. My goals and dreams.
Bro, why you gotta ever make everything a song?
Me no. Oh. Oh, let me see. Oh,
turn around.
Y'all, when I tell y'all getting up off that floor, Lord Jesus, make a nigga walk around like she drunk.
Could you leave?
Nah, that's what I ain't.
You some type of intoxicated.
That's what I ain't.
You some type of intoxicated.
That's what I ain't. It's just hard getting up off this floor. Get up off my get it. Mm-hmm.
That means when I come over here tomorrow, they should not be done.
Mm-hmm.
We'll probably be done. Girl, I'm doing it. I'll probably do it for sure.
Girl, back. They don't do nothing without me. So you need to stop lying. Cause you don't do nothing without me. Thomas, I probably do it without her. Girl, stole.
Girl, bad.
Girl, stole. Girl, stole. Jesus. It's the getting up. It's getting up and getting back down. For me. Can't you see? My legs ain't meant for this. And that's why I would charge so much.
Why would you do that?
Because my knees ain't them good knees no more. Alright fam, so right here, me and my niece kept switching, we kept switching areas, like one thing I'll do and then the next thing she'll do. So this was her outlining the 4s. She did outline all of the numbers and letters. Oh yeah, it's filming you good too. See, I can film other people, but why I can't film myself? That's crazy.
It is crazy.
Man, girl, shut up. I'm not ask you nothing. That girl working hard.
Am I?
By time, y'all, look at her. Was she finally touching the boards?
Don't start, Shemai.
No. Oh, we dropping that Christmas video now, y'all. Y'all go home tonight. Watch our Christmas video. So all she had to do was use for these was the scraps from what we cut out the design and a hot glue. That's all you need for this. You do need a projector knife depending on if your design like the B and the 0. We had to go around those corners. So yeah, you will need a projector knife.
Nervous when you call, I say I'm not home. See your face and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We were showing the stars outside.
Oh, it's gonna come off so good. See? Man, I hope I do it. But I knew you were gonna do this part good. See, this is the part I'm scared of. See, that's that teacher coming out you. Yeah. And see, then I'll do the other part. See, teamwork make the dream work. Alright, Money Gang. So right here, y'all, she had already did the boarding. My camcorder battery had died, or I think I lost space. Either way, I couldn't get the whole thing of her putting the border around, but this is how it looks after she finished it. So now what I'm doing is just going in and I'm about to fill it in with balloons. Y'all, this shit was so tedious for me. I didn't know what I was doing. I had to look at so many videos to see, because the 4 and the B was giving me such a hard time to stand up straight. So what I eventually had to do was use my 5-inch balloons and put water in them. And that's what I'm doing now, and sticking them at the bottom evenly so it won't be flimsy and move. Alright, so for a couple of pointers on how to do this, you will see once I tie the balloons, I do clip off the tail of the balloon off, just so, because it was hard to hide those, so it's kind of better if you just cut the tail off with some scissors, and then put the glue sticks on it. So the glue stickies are just little clear stick circle little tape double tape stickers that I'm putting on, and then I'll using my hot glue sticks in certain areas, especially in the corner and with the little balloon, just to make sure it was good. Now I'm gonna tell y'all now, be careful when you use hot glue. My hot glue is a dual hot glue, so it goes low and high. I did have it on low pressure, but yeah, I was still popping balloons. So I eventually just stopped using the hot glue gun and started using multiple of the double tape stickers to hold them in place. I'll make sure that it was one on the side of the balloon and then one on the bottom, so it can hold to this balloon beside it, and then also on the cardboard as I'm sticking them in there. Okay, y'all, this the finished look of the 4. It's not that bad for my first time. You know, we gotta do a little bit more practice. But now we're about to do the 0. And then we'll get to the K and the B. The K and B is bigger. I wish I should have did that in 4 foot too. So the 4 and the 0 is 4 foot. And the K and the B is 5 foot. 5 feet. Not foot. 5 feet. But that's how it look. Y'all tell me what y'all think in the comments. So y'all, my dumb ass put the daggone 0 backwards. So this is how it's gonna look completely. I'm not changing it. It is what it is. It is like what, 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, and I still got these there. So yeah, it's just gonna be like that. Like I said, not bad for my first time. So here I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how I did one of the centerpieces that we did also had at the party. We did 3 different other centerpieces. I thought I recorded me doing the other 2 centerpieces, but I did not. But I'll make sure I show y'all how they look in the video. But this is one of the videos that we used. It was one of the Dollar Tree hacks that we had seen on social media. I think we seen it on Instagram or Facebook. And I can't think of who we seen make it, but other than the roses and the crystals, they came from Amazon. And we're just using 2 of the towel paper holders from Dollar Tree. And then we use two circles formed from Dollar Tree as well. And I think I actually used 4. I put 2 at the bottom and 2 at the top because they're not as thick as they would normally be if you're getting them from the craft store. Right here, when we first did it, y'all, I started using all red, and when we did it, y'all could see it was just too much red, and I was just like, y'all, we need to order something else or put some us with it. It's just not popping like I wanted to. So that's when we originally decided to go ahead and order some more flower roses, but this time order white. So I ordered, I think, 100 white flowers, or it could have been 200. And then we had already had a lot of the red roses. We had to order a lot of red roses because we also going to do we put red roses around a heart, and I'm gonna show y'all the heart too. But yeah, if you've made it this close to far in my video, thank y'all for staying tuned. I hope you enjoy my video enough to make you want to click that bell and hit that subscribe button so you can know each and every time your girl drop a video. Okay, y'all, so I don't know if y'all see, but I made it shorter on here, and I'm gonna do all of them because they was hanging too low, and I kind of want to make 4, and I didn't want to buy no more of these crystals, so we're gonna try to see how it works because I still have, you can take them off because they just like got like the king ring right here, and I just been taking them off. So yeah, we're gonna see if we can make another one. And like I told y'all, you know, like I said, I'm not overthinking this year. We're just going to be posting my videos that I make and I record. So in this video, you may see my headset a little bit in it. I am actually on the clock while I am creating this. Money gang. We're about to wrap this video up for the day. I really do hope y'all enjoyed this video and you stuck around. If you have any questions or concern, just drop the questions or in the comments, and I'll try to answer them the best way I can. Remember, everything that I use in this video I will leave in the description box, and make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can know each and every time your girl drop a video, because we coming strong for 2025. I got some special things coming up for y'all, but we'll be talking about that soon. Until next time, love y'all always. Be blessed. Peace. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. Hey.